Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's Stacy here, and in this video I'm going to share with you guys a very special recipe that helps to increase blood circulation to the scalp, thereby promoting hair growth. So if you're interested, keep watching. So we're going to be making a hair growth serum, and the first ingredient we're going to be using are fresh mint leaves. So what I'm doing right now is just plucking out the leaves. For this treatment or for this serum, we want to use the fresh mint leaves. Make sure your leaves are properly washed before you begin plucking them out, and even after plucking you can still go ahead and rinse them up. Mint leaves are very beneficial in treating hair loss as well as thinning hair. So if you suffer from hair loss or your hair is thinning out a lot, you want to make sure that you include mint leaves into your hair regimen. So yeah, moving on, I'm going to go ahead and pour the leaf and place the leaves into a blender or a food processor. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add in some cold pressed extra virgin olive oil. So for this recipe, I'm going to add about 4 tablespoons of the extra virgin olive oil. Also, I'll be adding about 2 tablespoons of castor oil. And next, I'll be adding a tablespoon of argan oil. All these oils work together to deeply nourish and strengthen the hair as well as moisturizes the hair. So yeah, that's why I used it. You can use any other oil that you have, coconut oil or whichever oil that you prefer, but I chose to use these 3. So moving on, I'm going to go ahead and blend the mixture up. Continue blending until the paste is smooth enough. Add more oil if need be. When I felt the paste was smooth enough, I went ahead and used my little strainer to try to strain out the oil mixture or the serum, but I found that this was a bit challenging because it was slow. It was gonna take me a longer time to get all the oil out. So yeah, you see that later on I transferred to using my muslin cloth, so you can go ahead and just use your cloth. It's way easier and faster. So yeah, that's why I just transferred to using that, just to speed up whatever I was doing. So this is the final look of the serum. This is how it looks like. It is very thick, and you might not even see it, but it is very thick. And yeah, I'll go ahead and transfer it to my applicator bottle for easy application, and then I'll go ahead and apply that to my hair as a pre-shampoo treatment. As earlier mentioned, I'm going to be using this as an overnight pre-shampoo treatment. So yeah, I apply this to my hair the night before I wash my hair, like the next day. So I'm just going to go ahead and spritz some water on my hair before I go ahead to add the hair growth serum to my hair. So yeah, like I always do, you apply from your scalp, make sure that the oil touches your scalp, and then you properly massage it in before you move to the length of your hair. This really helps to stimulate hair growth. You can use this oil as a pre-shampoo treatment or hot oil treatment. Either you go ahead and warm the oil, or you can just apply it like I do, and then I'm going to wear my steaming cap. That way my pores or my hair follicles will open up, and yeah, the oil can easily penetrate, especially for those with low porosity hair. If you have high porosity hair, you do not need to add heat to your hair. You can go ahead and wash your hair after a couple of hours, but I prefer to leave it overnight just so that I get the full benefits. So yeah, I want my hair to soak in the oil and the mint properties very well before I go ahead and wash my hair the next day. So yeah, moving on, let's look at some of the benefits of mint leaves. So mint leaves are rich in menthol, which helps to promote hair growth, as it has the ability to stimulate increased blood flow to the scalp, thereby encouraging healthy hair follicle and fuller and longer hair. So yeah, that's what menthol does, and mint leaves have menthol in them. So yeah, you can get the minty feeling on your hair, that stimulation. So yeah, another benefit is that it helps in treating hair loss as well as thinning hair. Like I said before, if you suffer from thinning hair, you might want to consider using mint on your hair. Mint leaves do have one of the highest sources of keratin and antioxidants, which are all beneficial for healthy hair. It also offers antimicrobial and antifungal properties, which helps with dandruff and other scalp issues. So yeah, I know a lot of us do have scalp issues. A lot of people complain about scalp issues, dandruff. So you might want to consider using these like once a week on your hair, and you're going to see great improvements. So yeah, mint really helps with dandruffs and stuffs like that. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please, if you did, give me a thumbs up, and I hope you did learn something as well. So yeah, I would like to know what you feel or what you think about this recipe in the comment section below, and let me know if you've used mint leaves before, or after this video you're going to try and make this recipe and use it on your hair. And if you do, please come back and share your experience with us. We'll be glad to know more about your experience. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching again. I'm so grateful. I hope you found this video valuable and you learned something new. Before I go, let me just say, if you happen to make this more than you can use at a time, do not leave it in the fridge for more than 7 days, or you can go ahead and freeze it and warm it up whenever you're ready to use it. So yeah, it will go bad because there's no preservative in it. So you want to make sure that you're not putting more bacteria into your hair, and just be careful. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel below and turn on post notifications so that YouTube notifies you whenever I upload a new video. Bye.